The year is 2040. Alara wakes, not to an alarm clock but to gentle light. Her smart home knows her sleep cycle. It adjusts the room, the temperature is perfect, the air is filtered. Outside, the city hums a different tune. No roar of petrol engines, only the quiet whir of electric pods. She glances at her wall screen. News updates scroll by, personalized. Curated by her AI assistant, Kai. Kai also suggests her breakfast, based on her health data, and her mood. This is a normal morning. Alara steps into her transport pod. It is waiting. She does not own it. Few people own cars now. Transport is a service, like water or electricity. The pod glides silently. It joins a stream of other pods. They move in perfect harmony, managed by a citywide AI, no traffic jams, no angry drivers, just smooth, efficient movement. She uses the travel time. She connects to her virtual workspace. Her colleagues are already there, avatars in a shared digital room. They greet her. Work begins before she even reaches a physical office, which she rarely does. The future is not a distant dream. The world of 2040 will not look like today. Many things will change. Some changes will be small, others will be huge. Think about technology. Artificial intelligence will be everywhere. It will manage our homes, it will drive our cars, it will help doctors, it will create art. This is not science fiction, this is the path we are on. Our relationship with machines will be different, more intimate, more dependent. We must understand this shift, it is fundamental. Society itself will transform how we live, how we work, how we connect. Old structures may crumble, new ones will rise. The idea of a job for life is already fading. In 2040, it might be a historical curiosity. People will have many careers, they will need to learn new skills, constantly. Lifelong learning will not be a choice, it will be a necessity. Many people worry about jobs. They ask, will AI take my job? This is a valid question. The answer is complex. Yes, AI and automation will change work. Many current jobs will disappear, especially jobs that are repetitive or involve routine tasks. Think of factory workers or data entry clerks or even truck drivers. AI can do these jobs, often better, faster, cheaper. This is the reality of technological progress. It has happened before. The Industrial Revolution changed farming, the digital revolution changed office work. But AI will also create new jobs, jobs we cannot even imagine today. Think about AI trainers or data ethicists or virtual reality experience designers. These roles will emerge as technology creates new needs, new possibilities. By 2040, climate change will not be a distant threat, it will be a daily reality. For many people around the world, we will feel its effects more strongly, more frequently. Imagine more intense heat waves, lasting longer, affecting more regions. Imagine more powerful storms, causing greater destruction. Imagine rising sea levels, threatening coastal cities and communities. This is not alarmism. This is based on scientific projections. If we do not act decisively, now, our food systems will be under stress. Agriculture depends on stable climates. Changing weather patterns will disrupt farming. Some regions might become too dry, others too wet. This will affect food production, food prices, food security. We will need to adapt. New farming techniques, drought-resistant crops, more sustainable practices, technology might help. Vertical farming. Section 5. New tribes, new connections, society transformed. Human society is always evolving. In 2040, this evolution will be rapid, driven by technology and by new social norms. Think about communities. What will they look like? Physical communities might become more important. As remote work becomes common, people will seek local connections, local interactions, but virtual communities will also thrive. People will connect with others across the globe based on shared interests, shared identities, and shared beliefs. These digital tribes will be powerful. Section 6. The art of becoming, learning to thrive. In the fast-changing world of 2040, one skill will be supreme. Adaptability, the ability to change, to learn new things, to unlearn old habits. This will be the key to thriving, not just surviving. The world will not wait for us. We must keep pace or be left behind. Think of it like this. Life in 2040 will be a constant state of becoming, never a fixed state of being. This requires a different mindset, a growth mindset, a willingness to embrace the unknown. Lifelong learning will be the norm. Education will not end with school or university. It will be a continuous process throughout our lives. Section 7. Crossroads of Tomorrow, Dangers and Dreams. The future of 2040 is not predetermined, it is not a single path. It is a crossroads with many possible directions. Some paths lead to bright futures, others lead to darker outcomes. The choices we make today as individuals and as societies will determine which path we take. It is a heavy responsibility but also a great opportunity. We are the architects of tomorrow. We must choose wisely, with foresight and with courage. One great opportunity is human flourishing. Imagine a world where AI handles drudgery, freeing humans for creativity, for connection, for purpose. Imagine medical breakthroughs extending healthy lifespans, eradicating diseases. Imagine sustainable technologies healing the planet, creating abundance. This is not a utopian fantasy, it is a possible future. Section 8. Your toolkit for the future, how to prepare. So, how can you prepare for 2040? It is not about predicting the future. No one can do that perfectly. It is about building resilience and adaptability. These are your most important tools. Start by cultivating a curious mind. Ask questions, seek knowledge, be open to new ideas, even ideas that challenge your current beliefs. Read widely, explore different perspectives. The world is complex. Your understanding should be too. This is the foundation. Next, focus on uniquely human skills. Creativity, critical thinking, collaboration, communication, emotional intelligence. These are skills AI will struggle to replicate. Practice them daily, in your work, in your hobbies, in your relationships. Learn how to solve complex problems, how to work effectively in teams, how to empathize with others. These abilities will make you valuable in any future scenario. They are timeless and increasingly essential. Section 9. The Unwritten Chapter. Our Role in 2040. The year 2040 may seem far away, but it is approaching fast. Its story is not yet fully written. We are the authors of this coming chapter. This is a profound thought. It can be daunting, it can also be inspiring. We have agency, we have choice. The future is not something that just happens to us, it is something we create together, through our actions, our decisions, our values every day. Do not be a passive spectator of the changes to come. Be an active participant. Engage with the big questions about AI ethics, about climate action, about social justice. Your voice matters. Your choices matter. Whether you are a scientist, an artist, a teacher, a parent, or a student, you have a role to play in shaping a better future. A future that is more human, more equitable, more sustainable. This is our collective challenge. The path to 2040 will have challenges. We have discussed them.